So we are trying to get to Stevens Pass. We've got really nice signs.
We're so clean.
We've all had a shower and washed our clothes. Allied Plumbing. We need a big vehicle. Hopefully. Any soccer moms? Guess we would fit in the back of a pickup truck. That would probably work. Oh, UPS truck.
UPS.
UPS.
Pick us up. Pick us up. Do you know what a trail angel is?
Yes.
So you're officially a trail angel. If you haven't been already, you're now a trail angel.
Oh, really?
Because you've given us trail magic, which is a ride.
Oh, okay.
So a trail angel is somebody who gives you trail magic along the way. It could be food, it could be a ride, it could be a place to stay, it could be anything to help you get along your way. And so you have given us trail magic today. So we definitely appreciate it. So you're officially a PCT trail angel.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes.
We are back at the pass, Stevens Pass, and about to take off on the PCT. And we get to hike under those guys. And we're taking a photo. I'll be back. PCT. We're heading out kind of late, I guess. We're like after lunch, though. Only gonna do about 7 or so miles, I think, today. The next pass we get to, next townish place, is Snoqualmie. We'll show you the views on the way there. Really loud bang just a second ago, coming from over there, we think.
Construction maybe?
Construction, some kind of explosion. Is that the direction we're going? Alright, I guess we'll see when we get there. We heard a yell, so we're waiting for the next big explosion from the Pacific Construction Trail. Messing with
Of course. Well, maybe we just.
Huh. Maybe that wasn't a warning. It's just a guy. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it and then it'll blow.
Space. We got room.
And it's only a 6-day to clear it off again, so much better.
5 days.
5 days.
This is like one of the top 3 reasons we got these packs.
Okay, maybe not. 5 seconds later, it explodes. Missed it. Maybe it'll happen again. Fire in the hole again. Waited 30 seconds to not use up a lot of film. Here we are all waiting to film it.
I think I want to get your guys' reaction, see who jumps higher.
Right? Let's just film each other filming. That'd be great. Here we go. Just to see the jumps from all angles.
Let's see who can not move. Let's see if nobody flinches.
So the best theory so far is that Stevens Pass is putting in new ski lifts, and that's the construction for it.
Oh my god.
Here's some hillbillies having some fun.
Oh, while we're waiting, we can just introduce you to the rest of the group you've probably seen on video. So we've got Locahontas.
Hi.
We've got Black Hole.
Hello.
And we've got Poppins there in the back.
And for you guys, it's
Jordan
and
and
Amber.
Amber.
Hey. Oh my god. It's a minute 15. Okay. It's like
Been a minute
waiting for
15?
your parents to spank you when you were growing up. Like they will.
That was closer too.
Yes! That was great! Back to hiking. There's been a lot of day hikers passing us with rain covers on their packs. Hopefully, those are just morning showers and we're going to miss them, because I really don't want to be rained on our first day back on the trail. I'm gonna have to worry about getting dry the whole rest of the time. It's not fine. Okay, top of the ski lift. We didn't cheat, we hiked it. Now, we're rewarded with some nice views. Sweet. It wouldn't feel like we're actually back on the PCT until we hear a grouse or see a marmot or hear a marmot. And then, like a minute ago, within 10 seconds of each other, we hear a marmot and hear a grouse. So it's official, we are back on the PCT. And we're going under the ski lifts. Woo! It's pretty cool. It'd be cooler if they were moving, but it's still pretty cool. Strange to be so mixed in with like civilization things, signs of civilization. This section south of Stevens Pass. Like here, now we're hiking under power lines. Kind of interesting. But I think I like grand mountain views better. This is the lake we're camping at, we think. So blue. I don't think that was our lake, and neither is this one. But we are almost to our lake. We can set up our tent. And then to camp. Look at this. We left a really nice fish net. Maybe we can go fishing. Have to get really close to that fish, but cool. Cool. I like it.
That was closer too.
Yes! That was great!